Okay, let's take a look how can we use our own cloud server with Android devices. I found it that the easiest way to use your own cloud server is to use it through your mobile browser. You just visit the web interface of your server. You input your credentials and you get into your web interface, where you have all the same features as your desktop interface. You can upload and download files, you can share files, you can rename and move files, and also you can use all the set of other applications you have installed on your own cloud, be it contacts, calendar, notes, whatsoever. And the easiest way to access your own cloud is to create the link to it on your desktop. We just add the link here, we name it ownCloud, and in one click we have our ownCloud files. Okay, Android also has its native application for ownCloud. You can go to Play Store, search for ownCloud, and you have several applications, one of which was made by ownCloud Incorporated, which is the official application. You can see the whole bunch of features it supports through the print screens. But I found it not so useful as your browser because of two things. First, this application is paid application, it's not free. And the second, the functions which are available in the application are somewhat similar to what you get through your browser, and they tend to not work as well as they should. So as for now, I'm using my own cloud server through the mobile browser. If the situation changes or I'll find another useful application or client for my server, I will leave the update in this course. And yes, there are some other third-party applications available, but I tend to not give my server credentials to some third-party applications because I have no idea where this information will be stored, to whom it will be available, and so on and so forth. And due to possible security flaws, I tend not to use third-party applications at all.